This is Brett Conway's Assignment 1 script. Based on my analysis of the extreme storms document, I identified a threat to the tropics, specifically the Bahamas, of increased tropical cyclone activity. The increase will come in both intensity and frequency. The tropics are vulnerable to increased tropical cyclone activity due to their placement in a warm climate that is placed in a common path. The prediction for forecasted environmental changes are increased temperature causing increased tropical cyclone intensity. According to the IPCC, the projected change in global mean surface air temperature will likely be in the range of 0.3 to 0.7 degrees Celsius, according to Kirkman and Power, page 955. The increase in surface temperature is likely to increase hazard exposure and mortality risk, as stated by the CSSR in the Extreme Storms document. Solutions to these threats come in the form of slowing the warming of the planet. This can be done by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Another suggested solution is to work towards climate-resilient pathways, as Denton and Wilbanks discuss in their paper Climate Resilient Pathways, Adaptation, Mitigation, and Sustainable Development. Combining these strategies with a process of iterative monitoring, evaluation learning, innovation, and contingency planning will reduce climate change disaster risk, promote adaptive management, and contribute significantly to prospects for climate resilient pathways. Denton and Wilbanks, page 1123.